Hi, my name is Mary. I'd love to show you the 323 Bunkhouse by Catalina. So come on and let's look inside. I feel that this unit is the perfect size for a big family. You can easily sleep 4 kids in the back. And this bunkhouse that has some really cool features has its own door. You have a closet where you can actually hang kids' clothes, a huge cabinet, and you can put all the kids' belongings in the back and shut the door. The super cute master is at the other end of the unit, giving you more space in case you've got giggly kids that like to stay up late at night. The interior is very cozy. It has a dark, smooth, wipeable fabric on the couch and the dinette. Very easy to clean peanut butter and jelly off. There's a beautiful fireplace and entertainment center. And the kitchen is perfect for cooking. The double sink, it's got a microwave, an oven, lots of counter space, and there's also a fancy kitchen outside. So you can cook bacon, which is very smelly, outside of your unit, and you can entertain your guests out there. There's also a bathroom that has its door to the outside, so you can conveniently go inside, which eliminates all the kids tromping through your unit. You can just say, okay, there's the bathroom, and they can use that. You have great LED lights underneath this awning, which gives you lots of coverage as you enjoy the outdoors. You do have a pass-through storage, which can hold a lot of gear. I really like the idea that Catalina thinks of little touches. There's a leash link for your pets and separate entrances, which make this unit really convenient for big family and camping experience. So folks, come on out and see this beautiful unit by Catalina. You're going to love the outside kitchen, the dual axle. It's a perfect unit for camping with a big family. So please come and see me. My name is Mary. My number is 406-850-4590. Thanks so much.